Welcome back to Like TAC. I'm Jim Jansen, and today we're going to upgrade our CMS server. So let's go and configure Like TAC. So to upgrade our Cisco meeting server to version 3.0.1, I want to extract this file so I can see the image. So I right click and I choose my 7-zip and I extract here. Now that I have an upgrade image, I want to use a SCP software to connect my CMS server that I want to upgrade. So I'm going to use WinSCP because that's the application I have loaded on my desktop. Then I'm going to choose the server that I want to upgrade and log in. If we look at my server right now, we see that this server has never been upgraded before. It's a brand new install, but I want to upgrade that. So I need to navigate to the folder that I downloaded the software to. This will be on my desktop. Here's my CMS Upgrade folder. I see my image, and I'm going to go ahead and upload that image to the root. It's going to take some time to upload this image because it's relatively large, so I'm going to pause the video and then we will come back. Now that we have our upgrade image installed on the CMS node which we want to upgrade, we're going to open up our PuTTY session or secure CRT session to the server. Now on CMS 3, I'm going to issue the command version just to look at my version. I'm currently on 3.0 and I'm going to upgrade to 3.0.1. Prior to doing any kind of upgrade with CMS, you want to do a backup. We highly recommend you do a manual backup instead of the auto backup that happens during the upgrade. Look at the commands we have. Backup in question mark. So we see here we have backup snapshot and backup rollback. We're going to do a backup snapshot. Right now you're going to see that there is no backups listed on my server right now. So I go backup snapshot, and I'm capitalizing it so that everybody understands this is not one that was generated by the CMS server, rather by me. And I just say it's CMS _3 _0. Alright, so it says that CMS 3.0 back. I want to return back to WinSCP so I can get that backup. We look through here. We probably need to do a refresh on this node. Refresh. Now I see my backup. I'm going to take the backup and download to my local folder here. We don't want to keep the backup here on the server and do the upgrade, because what if we lose the backup? So the next step to upgrading the CMS 3.0 to 3.0.1 is to issue the command upgrade. We note some things like the key was checked and the image integrity was verified prior to doing the upgrade. Now, after all that was completed, the server is being rebooted. If we wait a few minutes here, we can reconnect. Still not updated yet, not rebooted. It's going to take some time. Okay, so now we're back in. So let's look at my version now after upgrading. I go version. Now I see I'm on version 3.0.1. I hope this has been informative for you, and please subscribe to Like TAC.